Hello everyone, my name is Garg. So today I am going to start one very interesting topic, which is data ingestion. So as you know, like in my couple of previous lectures, I tell you some basic terminologies like what is DSO, what is DLO, what are the categories like profile or um, in engagement or other, right? And I tell you the streaming process of data cloud. Everything what I tell you in my previous tutorial is used in this particular topic. Like those are the basics which I am telling you in separate videos, and which is very useful in this particular video. So if you are not to watch those videos, so I recommend you to watch those videos first and then you learn this data injection, because it's a very important topic for data cloud. Okay, so as you know, like what is data injection? Okay, so in data cloud, what we are doing in data cloud, we will capturing the data from a different type of system and they store it into the data cloud, and after then we will perform the analyze and we will create a reports and many things. We will send an email, so many things we will do in data cloud. But the first step where we will capture the data from various external system into the data cloud. This step is known as a data injection. Simple. So data ingestion is nothing but capturing the data from different system and store that data into the data cloud as a DSO or DMO or DLO. Like DSO, DLO, and DMO. If you want to know what is this, then you need to go and watch my video. I already have one video on that. Okay. So now, what are the steps for data injection? Right. So let me show you the practical as well as we will discuss the theory so that you can understand better. So this is my data cloud org. Okay, this is a trial org. So when you click on new button, okay, currently you see only Salesforce CRM and injection API, and you see some MuleSoft and some external tools. Uh, because this is a trial log, so I don't have much data stream here or much data sources here. But if I want to show you the okay, this one. So if you see here, let me make it big. Okay, so here you can see we have lot of data sources like CRM, website, Amazon S3, or many. I already explained you the connectors in one of my video. If you can go to that video, you will see a lot of connectors where I tell you what are the data connectors and what are the data sources in data cloud. You can go and watch that video. So this is nothing but a data connectors or data source where we will see or where we will define, okay, from that particular system I want to capture the data, okay, into this org, into this Salesforce. Like we can capture the data from Amazon also, we can capture the data from Salesforce also, Marketing Cloud org also, anything. Okay. So simple. Now I have option to capture the data from Salesforce CRM. Okay, I am selecting Salesforce CRM. Okay. So once I select the Salesforce CRM, so this is the first step. Like select data source. Okay, this is the first step. Now I already select the data source. Now I need to select the data source object. So in one of my previous video, I tell you what is data bundles. So every like in data cloud, what we have like for Salesforce or for other type of data connectors, they already have defined the objects, or they already defined the structure, so that you don't need to do mappings or many things you don't need to do. Like if you know that the data which is coming from the third party system into the Salesforce, that data is related to the sales cloud or sales cycle, then you can select a sales data bundle. If it is related to service, then you can select the service data type of bundle. Okay, let me go with the all objects. Okay, and select any of the object. Okay, I'm selecting account. Okay, and I'm going to next. So this is the second step, select data source object. Okay. Now the third step is define data stream property. So in my previous tutorial, if you remember, I tell you what are the data streams, right? Like if you can watch, you see two type of streamings, right? Batch or general real time, right? So this is nothing but we are selecting the data stream fields. Okay. Now let me go to the another one, which is confirm schema. So confirm schema is something like you are mapping the data types. Okay. Like email field will map to email, or phone field will be mapped or something like that. So you are confirming the schema of your data cloud. Okay. So this is what we need to do here. And here in the system, you see the categories. Okay. So if you remember category, I already tell you what is categories. So if you go to my previous video, you see the profile and these engagement and other type of categories. So profile is something which is related to particular person. Engagement is something like the activities with that person is doing. So these are the data categories. So account is something, but it's something like profile. So I'm selecting profile. Okay. Here you see the primary key is already matched because the data source is Salesforce. If the data source is not Salesforce, then you need to map the primary key also. Okay. You can create a formulas here, like you, if you want, you can create some formula. So why we need to create a formula field is something like you want that if the particular account age is 25, so this person is young. If more than 30, then it's elder, or something like that. You can create and define the formulas. Okay. So if you see the next step, we are saying like you can create a formula fields also. Okay. And the last step is we can deploy the data source. Simple. So now I am going and doing that. Okay. So data space is already, if you want, you can select the filter frequency. I am using is streaming. So streaming and batch type of frequency I already explained in my previous tutorial. You can watch that. Okay. And you can deploy it. Simple. So now your data is deployed, your data stream is ready. So this is what data injection. Hope this will help you. Hope you understand it properly in real time example which I give you. I will try to explain the whole data cloud in very simple manner so that anyone can understand. Okay. So please watch my videos. I will help you to understand and clear the certificates of data cloud. So thank you so much for joining my lecture. Thank you.